Welcome back to How to Pete. On today's How to of the Day, we're going to address an issue that's personally annoying to me, and that is the adjustable seatbelt doesn't work. Now, why? I don't know. I'm assuming that when they did the roof lining, whoever put it back didn't put it back correctly, but that's just my assumption. I don't know. We are going to address it. It's relatively simple. All you need is basically a screwdriver. What you do is you remove the door rubbers, and once you remove the door rubbers, this plastic has little hooks, and that'll unhook. But I'll show you that as I'm doing it. Righto, let's do it. Basically, we need to pull the door rubber off the pillar. You can use a screwdriver if you like. Just like that. There we go. And these are the little hooks. Where is it? These are the little hooks that I was talking about. There's one there, and there's one further on down here, right there. Put your little screwdriver in the back there, give it a bit of a pry, make sure that it goes behind, just like that. Do the same up here, do the same up there. There we go. There we go. That's all. Like that. And now, okay. But we have to do that on the other side too. So, here we go. Pop the rubber. Pop the rubber. Pop the little tab out. Pop the bottom one out. And now we can remove it. I hope. What is going on now? Oh, there we go. So just push it away down here. Push it away. Up here seems to be a bit more difficult. I don't know why. We'll have to find out what's going on. I was struggling because the seat being in the way, but all it is just one of these clips that just push on, and it goes into there, and that's it. Now let's find out why the adjuster is not going up or down. Well, it's working. Fine. Now, as I suspected, I reckon that they didn't put it in the right spot, did they? Let's have a look how this functions from behind. Oh yeah, okay. So there it is there. So that's what you got to do. That little lever pushes on that little lever. Can you see it better perhaps? Yeah, there we go. Just like that. And that's what that's doing when you're applying the button from the other side. All right, now. I wonder what's going on there. I reckon that was in the wrong spot for sure. Alright, so let's put it back all the way up there. We need to make sure that little lever Where are we? That little lever needs to go in that slot. I can't do this one-handed. Okay, I managed to clip it back in off camera. Right, there it is there. These little tabs go back on. That's better, that's how it should be. Now do the back side. Here we have, that one is almost good. There it is. Now it's good. The bottom one too. The bottom one's almost good. There it is. Done. Now push the rubber back. When you do the rubber, make sure that you start with the corner, because that one, if it's not all the way in the corner there, it'll whistle and it won't sit right and all sorts of shit. So that's correct. Just gently down here. Right here. Now got to do the same with the front one. And start with the corner. Oh, okay. That's no good. That is no good. We can go in maybe. Oh, it might work. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's it. That's a ticket. That's the ticket. Alright, done. Now, for the whole purpose of the exercise, squeeze and lower. Squeeze, go up. Squeeze and lower. I think perhaps on the way up you don't have to squeeze. No, you don't. You just push it. On the way down, squeeze. Look at that. Like I bought one. Well, thank you very much for watching. How to Pete. I have to do the other side, but I think once is enough for you guys. So I hope to see you on the next how to of the day. See you soon.